Today we're going to show you how to make this cute DIY jellyfish costume. You should give yourself a couple hours to work on this. And these are the supplies you'll need. Start with your plastic bags. You'll want to cut the handles off down the side and across the bottom. Once your bag is cut, lay the bag flat, then fold 3 times. Start cutting at the fold and move in a spiral direction. You'll need to trim off the excess from the ends. Don't feel like this has to be perfect. These will be our jellyfish legs. Now take your rope and cut it into even sections of desired length. Now to assemble. Open your umbrella. Make sure you have string lights with a battery pack or a portable charger. Don't forget the tape. Now you're going to attach the rope lights to the inside of your umbrella, using the tape to secure. We had a really long string light, so we ran it up and down the spines and around the handle. You might need to go back in afterwards and secure more pieces with tape. Now get your packing tape and use that to securely fasten your battery pack. It's time to attach the arms and the outside tentacles. You'll want to attach your plastic arms all over the inside of the umbrella. Then use your rope for the outside edges. This whole process can take a bit of time, but it's worth it. At this point, we actually went back to that first step and cut some more plastic bags. That way, we had a lot more tentacles to fill up the inside of our jellyfish. Here's a look at how our jellyfish turned out.